Hello, welcome to Cooking with Debs with me, Debs,
Sophia,
and Menard.
and today we're being filmed by Jaiden. Right, first off, I shall tell you what we're making. We are making chocolate chickpea slices. First off, I've got about 160 grams of chocolate. It's just cheap Aldi milk chocolate. Sophia's going to put it in the microwave on a medium heat for a couple of minutes, and she's going to keep an eye on it till make sure it gets melted and doesn't burn. In the blender, Menard's going to put a tin of chickpeas. These have been drained and rinsed. We're going to blend them. I'll just poke them all down, blend it a bit more. Next up, we are going to add half a cup of plain yoghurt. And this recipe you can put nuts in. It calls for a quarter cup of pecans, but we're not going to add them because we've got allergies in the house. It's fine to just leave them out. Would you like to crack in 3 eggs for me? So I've got half a cup of yoghurt, a quarter cup of desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of cocoa, and a third of a cup of honey. And I don't have my third cup here, so I'm going to do it in the half. And we're just going to pop in the 3 eggs that Menard's cracked for us. And then we hope and pray that the blender can take it all. Just going to start on a low speed and then gradually increase it. Just want to blend it in until it's looking fairly smooth. This recipe is really good because it's chocolatey, so people like it, but it's also really high in protein because of the chickpeas. So just a small piece will really fill you up, and you can even eat it for breakfast and it's not too unhealthy. Right, so we've got the melted chocolate here. And the chickpea mixture here. And do you want to pour or mix?
Pour.
Okay, just pour it slowly in. Hold it, you got it? Got it. Slowly. Just get the last bits out of the blender. This is going into a 180 degrees centigrade or 350 Fahrenheit oven in a lined tin, and it will cook for 25 to 30 minutes until it's just set, and then you want to let it cool before you slice it. I'll just pour that all in. And we'll just pop that in the oven. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.
Bye.